The word of the day is
ponto, ponto. Entende que é ponto principal. Entende que é ponto principal. Põe ponto na final de frase. Põe ponto na final de frase.
Are you planning a trip to the Cape Verde Islands? Or would you like to learn to speak with friends and family from Cape Verde? If so, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website at www.learncaboverdiano.com.